You probably don't know me. I don't see why you would. Nobody ever remembers me. You may know my brother, Jeff, but he has another name. Jeff, the killer. Yeah. I remember the last time I saw him was when he killed my mom and dad. Our mom and dad. I don't know why he did it. He seemed so normal, I suppose. Although after going into his room after the whole event went down, I found some disturbing things that I can't even mention. Oh, Jeff, I just want to find you so I can help you. I don't know why, but I forgive you for stabbing me, for trying to kill me. I just want to help you. I want you to find the help you need. Please, Jeff. Please. Stop killing. Please. No. No, please, no. Jeff. You fancy yourself a killer. I think you've seen one too many horror movies. Brother of Liu. You see, to him, you're a sick boy. Someone who deserves help. But to me, you're a monster. A freak. You don't even deserve to walk on this goddamned planet. Oh, I'm not restricted by Liu's love for you. In fact, I'm everything he's not. I don't feel anything but hatred towards you, Jeffrey. And when I find you, I'll make you go to sleep. At least for a while. Only enough so that I can get you into the woods. Only so I can kill you again. And again. And again. Because that's where it all started. Those woods. You heard the voices. The little stirrings in the back of your mind. That's what you told me, Brother Liu. My name is Sully. Know the name well, because it'll be the name of the man that finally beats you, Jeffrey. And I'm not going it alone. You see, I found another one of your victims who survived. It's a shame you tried to make her like you. But who would want to be an ugly little shit like you? Oh, Jeff. Liu may be blind, but I'm full of rage, and my blades will pierce your flesh. I will be the one credited to the death of Jeff the Killer.